we are expecting our next company, our next customer from Guangdong KEGU Power Electronics. Guangdong KEGU Power Electronics. KEGU Power. I see my Jane. My Jane again. Hello, Jane.
Hello.
Nice to see you again. Hi, Jane.
Hello, Jen.
Two Janes. Yeah, double Jane. Great. Good afternoon. And so long time no see you, and so happy to see you here again. Would you like, Jane from KEGU, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company or production line in 10 or 15 minutes, please?
Yes.
Yeah, Jane, would you like to turn on your camera? I cannot see your video, your image. I can only hear from you, but I can't see you.
I don't know why, but
my
your camera is open.
Oh, you're on your camera.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Oh, no, great. I see you.
Today I saw many beautiful lights. Our items is very special. It's the provide power for that beautiful lights. And hello, everyone. I would like to introduce my company to you. CQC Power is the global supplier of LED driver since 2008. Now it becomes one of the most important player in LED driver industry. During this 13 years, we just focus on one product, LED driver. We have two production bases. One is in Foshan. Now here is Foshan is our headquarters. Another one is in Jiangsu province. The factory covers 50,000 square meters. 13 senior drivers we have, and normally our annual production capacity is 20 million pieces. We also have a branch company in Germany. We have some agents in Thailand, Korea, and Russia. CQC Power is ISO 9001-2050 certified, and we also adopts barcode traceability system for quality control. You can see each items have a barcode. This unit barcode, for each item, we can choose the component. So for this year's, our products quality is accepted by worldwide customers, and we have CTV, ANAC, CB rules certificates. Our products is from 1 watt to 300 watts, including indoor and outdoor LED drivers. And also on-off LED driver, dimmable LED driver, such as track dimmable, 1 to 10 dimmable, Kasabi, Dali, and we also the dear members since 2019. Today I will introduce one series new items for Brazil market. It is it is the tiny unit system, tiny unit LED driver. Here I bring some sample here. Here is the 4 watt mini LED driver.
4 watt.
The input So the input voltage is from 100 to 240. It is designed with a new circuit and high cost performance. The size is very mini. You can see the lamps is 38 and 38. The length is 38, 40 width, and the height is 22. It is ultra small size, so it's convenient to build in diversified design and installation. So especially for the wall lights, maybe the light size is very small, and it is meet with the EMC requirements of class 1 and class 2 lamps. It is also compliance with the new ERP standards, so which is effective in this month. So, and its lifetime is 50,000 hours. We provide a 5 years warranty for this item. And we also have 10 watt and 15 watt, and another one is 20 watt. This series LED driver is completely universal input voltage LED driver. This one is from the voltage is from 100 to 277. And this series item is special small. The size is minimal than than other factories, so it would be a better choice for the
small size
designer. Yeah. So special this 15 watt LED driver. It is very popular by our customers. Normally, our drivers for this series we have 350, 500, and 700 output currents. It is a constant current LED driver. But our customer special require us to design at 300 mA for them. I think it is no other companies can have the smaller one than this 15 universal voltage LED driver.
Oh, this is the only one.
Yeah,
it's only. Yes, great. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, and this mainstream parameters meets customer needs. So this one, I think we can be export to Brazil. Yeah. And another item I would like to show is the deep switch LED driver. This series deep switch LED driver have because this one has the switch to adjust the currents. For this series, we have on-off version track 1 to 10 watt and daily version. There are 4 versions. Version LED drivers. These items can be used as the built-in LED driver, but with the side covers, it can be the independent LED driver. So one driver, this one is very flexible. And yeah, and one item has 4 different currents. For example, this 10 watts have 500 currents and 550 currents, 600 and 700. So you no need to store many different drivers. Just for one item, you can satisfy many different needs. It can be using in the ceiling lights or put inside the check lines. It is all these series drivers are freak-free. Sometimes I saw many lightings is very, very beautiful, but it's fresh so much. Yeah. So as the driver quality is not so good.
I see.
Yeah. When we take the mobile phone to take some videos, the flash is serious. It's harmful to our eyes.
Exactly.
So I suggest all the lighting companies should choose our freak-free LED drivers. For this series, we also have DALI drivers. Is the new version DALI 2. I didn't take the sample yet, but it's completely finished now and also very popular by our customers. And these 2 drivers are the major drivers I would like to introduce. And also we have many different drivers I would like to show just for single. This integrated track LED driver is also very popular one. We have 28,000 orders from Europe companies this month. And we also have the super slim, the constant voltage LED driver, and linear LED driver. This one is DALI version. We have on-off 1 to 10, and DALI dimmable LED driver. And of course, we also have outdoor LED driver. For example, one. Yeah. Now, for many years, we produced indoor LED driver, but these 2 years, we also have our own LED IP67 LED drivers. So yeah, that's all of our products I show here.
Thank you, Jane. Thank you for the full range of the production lines. Yeah. And Jane, I'm so impressed of the CQC.KEGU Power company. You have provided many LED driver solution from 4 watts of the mini LED and from the 15 watts LED driver with different currency, and also you can export it to Brazil, and then some built-in driver, and also the linear one, and the last one is outdoor LED driver with IP67 waterproof. Wow, That's really good. So many production line, and I can see that you are killing the market pain points. For example, the beautiful lights, but with not a good quality of the driver. So the light is not that good, but you are offering those one-stop solution to this killing part. Thank you, Jane. It's so impressive. Thank you. Thank you, Jane. So due to the time limits, maybe next time when you're participating in Lightstreet factory tour again, next time we can see some new or other production in next time. And so expecting you to see you again. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Jane.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye.